How to fix Facebook temporarily blocked on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve and fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings. Then when it's settings, it's opening, just come here to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and search for Facebook application. And when you found it like this, just open it. You will scroll down the screen also and go to storage and go to the bottom of the screen now and click on clear data, then click OK. And that's it, it will work with you. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.